Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to look at something that's pretty mundane, but I picked it up on Amazon. It'll be the first time me unboxing it. It is an Amazon owned product, which is a brand name of Umi, U-M-I, by Amazon. And what we've got in here is a 10 blade kit for your reciprocating saw, and I saw it, and there was a couple on Amazon that I thought all looked fairly similar, but this one came with a case, and I thought, yeah, why not have a case? So, you know, with 10 items in there at £11, that's pretty much £1 a blade plus £1 for the case. So that's what I thought. But before we get this unboxed, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, and then you'll get notified of the very next video that comes out. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's get the Swiss Army knife out, and we'll do this together. So there we go. Right, first impressions. Yeah, it's exactly like it looked on the box. I have to say that this case is a little bit rough around the edges as an initial sort of feel about it. It doesn't quite look as good a quality as the one shown in the picture. But let's get into it. This is supposed to be a quick video, to be honest, guys. So, but here we are. Here's the little pouch. This brand name seems to be quite predominant there. And actually, this is quite nice. What they've done there is, let's put it up this way, what they've done there is just marked out what the different types are, which is actually quite nice. Obviously, if you use these sorts of things, then you'll already know, that the different tooth sizes are for different types. Yeah, so let's get one of each out and have a look. So the first one out is the metal saw, and I think you'll see from this, if I can try and bring it in. Yeah, I don't know whether you'll see that. It's got very small teeth. It seems to be quite well painted. To be honest, I actually quite like the colour as well. I'm a big sucker. I love orange and white together. It feels like the future. So that's the metal blade, and it says metal blade on it. The next one I'm going to pull out is the wood and nails. Very interesting. So again, here we are. Here's the wood and nails. Again, you'll see that the blade type is different. It's a different colour as well. They've colour coded those. Yeah, that's another nice, good looking blade. I think that, they're all a standard size and shape. Now, I thought, actually, and I'll come back to this in a second, that there would be the same number of each one, but there isn't. So this one is just the wood saw, and that's got a nice deep set of teeth on that. And there's that one. And then the last one is wood metal saw. And yeah, again, it's a slightly different shape. And hopefully when this zooms in, there we are, or focuses, you can see that the tooth profile is different on that one again. Right, so that's the pack. So let's just have a look. So you actually get in the pack 2 metal saws, 2 wood and nails, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one makes 5 wooden saw blades, and 2 wood and metal saws. So you get, so it's 2, 2, 5, and 2. Hang on a moment. Oh yeah, it was an 11-piece set. Right, so there you go. That's what you get. Roll it all up, store it away. That'll sit very nicely in your case along with your reciprocating saw. I think for the money, quite good. If you're interested in picking these up from Amazon, you'll find links for this product below. And I think this was an unboxing, but perhaps what we'll do is a little test, and I'll let you know how I get on. As always, thanks for watching Budget with Brian. If you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again.